How to remove background from images on iPhone. Step 1. This feature works only on iOS 16 or newer, so make sure your iPhone is up to date. Go to Settings, General, Software Update to check. Step 2. Launch the Photos app. Choose the image with clear subject. This works best with people, pets, or objects that stand out from the background. Step 3. Tap and hold your finger on the subject in the photo. After a moment, the subject will be outlined with a glow effect and you'll feel a slight haptic tap. A pop-up menu will appear. Step 4. Copy to paste it into apps like Notes, iMessage, or Instagram. Share to send it directly to someone or save it. Or drag and drop the cutout straight into the other apps if you're multitasking with split view or slide over. This is also works with images in files or even on websites via Safari. Just tap and hold on any photo with a clear subject. And that's it!